Hello viewers, welcome to Mythology. In this video our focus is mainly on sebaceous glands. The glands which are a derivative of the skin. Along with the structure and function of the sebaceous glands, we will also study about some common problems associated with this gland. At cellular level, the sebaceous glands are grossly identified by their foamy appearance on microscopy. These cells appear rounded and empty because their plentiful lipid content are washed away on staining. The lipid may be visualized by using the Nile red stain, which is lipophilic in nature. Relatively undifferentiated sebum producing cells are located along with the outer layers of the gland, gradually becoming more differentiated and filled with lipid products towards the center. Mature sebocytes, they undergo apoptosis, degrade and form the necrosis zone, eventually releasing their content that combine to form the sebum. If we look at its developmental history, the sebaceous glands are located in the mid dermis and almost always develop alongside a hair follicle with an outlet emptying into the follicular canal. This association is known as the pilosebaceous unit. A small number of sebaceous glands, known as meibomian glands, open directly into the skin in the epithelium of the eyelids and help to enhance the lubricating properties of tears. The embryological development of sebaceous gland lies in the process of ingrowth of the ectodermal cells into the mesoderm. By the 13th to the 15th week of the fetal life, the sebaceous glands are seen differentiating in a cephalocaudal sequence in association with the hair follicle. By the 17th week, a lipid drop becomes visible at its center. The developing common excretory duct serves as the focal point of attachment for the sebaceous acne that begins as a solid cord-like structure. The cord eventually ruptures, forming a channel which becomes the first pilosebaceous canal. The duct then opens into the hair follicle. The proximate number of sebaceous glands remain constant in an individual, but their size tends to increase with age, especially from adolescence. Next, we come to the functions of the sebaceous gland. Sebaceous glands contribute the vast majority of skin surface lipids via sebum production. This helps to seal moisture and prevent desiccation of skin and maintains the hair shaft. Sebum contains lipids, antimicrobial substances, free fatty acids, and matrix metalloproteinases. These elements, combined with the formation of cutaneous lipid film, help to protect the skin from external drying. Sebaceous glands are an important site for androgen processing and modulation. All of the enzymes that are necessary for transforming cholesterol to steroids or the androgen precursors. Sebaceous glands are under hormonal control too. Androgens regulate its function through binding to the nuclear androgen receptors. Together with the corticotropin releasing hormone, sebum has a powerful anti inflammatory effect that counteracts the normal stress signal cascade and helps limit the excessive tissue damage. Yet, there are certain microbial attacks where sebum collects on the surface. This may lead to certain common problems related to the sebaceous glands. The first of it are the pimples, which is due to the sebum accumulation and the bacterial growth that takes place at the site of its accumulation. Sebum is nutritive for the microorganisms, so it gets infected and results in the boil or the pimple formation. The most common pathological problem in adolescents relating to the sebaceous gland is acne vulgaris. In this case, the gland gets inflamed due to the hormonal influence or imbalance. Then we come to the blackheads. When an open pore in the skin gets plugged with dead skin cells and sebum, it turns black upon oxidation. That's called a blackhead. When this happens with a closed pore, it appears as a white head. All problems associated with the sebaceous glands can be avoided by keeping the skin outrightly clean and not allowing it to dry unnecessarily. Washing the face and the body at regular intervals would always keep the skin safe. I hope you liked the video. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you still haven't done so. Thank you once again.